Hi guys, I have a treat for you today. Thank you for hanging with Floradai. We're going on an adventure and something I've never done before, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. We're going cherry picking today. Look at this behind me. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how many pounds I'm going to eat, but I tell you what, let me get going and I'll be back with you. See you in a few minutes, okay? So excited. Hi guys, we're here. We're at Diablo Cherries in Brentwood. They're open and they have black pearl cherries. We're here. We're getting ready to do some cherry picking. So excited. Never done this before. Have my sister with me and my aunt. And we're going to go cherry picking today. All right. Here we go. Hi, how are you?
We're fine.
Thank you.
Head on that way and she'll tell you where to go.
Okay. Hi, how are you? Doing well. How are you today?
Have you been here before?
This is my very first experience.
You've never picked cherries
Never have
before.
picked cherries before, ever.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Good day. So, okay, have you guys picked cherries before? This is the first for everybody.
Yes.
Okay, it's super easy.
Okay.
You're gonna grab buckets right over here. Cherries are $4 a pound. We have 6 different varieties on the farm, but only 2 are really ready yet.
Okay.
Others will get ready as the season goes on. Right now, what I recommend trying are either our black pearls, which are a very dark red, very crunchy cherry.
Oh, that sounds great.
That's what I would recommend trying.
Okay.
And where are they?
Or our corals. Okay, so as you walk back this way, you're going to see posts on the left-hand side. They are numbered and they are color-coded according to the variety.
Okay.
So black pearls are going to be between rows 36 and 50, and the posts are painted purple. So what I recommend going probably around to row 40.
Okay.
And then going right and kind of going to the edge that way. They get sweeter as you get towards the outside where the sun hits them a bit more. So, head towards 40, go in towards the right. 2 things I can mention if you've never done cherry picking before is try and pick them with the stems on. They'll last a week at home. With the stems, without stems, 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
So you're doubling their
Keep
lifetime.
the stems
Yeah,
on.
keep the stems on.
Okay.
Because the cherry will basically get water from the stem for several days. And then make sure you taste test because every tree might have a slightly different level of ripeness. So, some are going to be slightly tartar, some are going to be slightly sweeter. So taste as you go. If you find a tree that tastes good, then you just
Stick with that tree.
You just
Right
stick
here.
there. So these right in front that you kind of see that are orangey, those are our Lapin cherries. They're a late variety. They'll be ready in about 2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then we have Bings, which are our big old orchard over there. That's about 2 to 3 weeks away. Our Rainiers, which are that yellow and blush color variety, are about 10 days away. You're welcome to taste any of them. Some people like tart cherries, and so they pick them when they're not quite ripe. I go for the sweetest I can find.
That's what I'm
Okay.
I go
heading
for
to
the
40.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I would say stick to the black pearls.
Awesome.
You're welcome to try them all.
Okay,
you so
great.
much.
Thank
You
you.
guys have a nice time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys heard everything.
Okay.
We heard about the grab a bucket and go.
Grab a bucket.
This is our
Which
bucket.
black and gold?
36 and 50.
And the bins are over there.
These are
We have. Ever seen this before? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, here we go. We're gonna head down there. Oh, here's a nice bunch right here. Look at this right here. And here we have some more. There's beautiful. Right here. Here's some up here. Look at this. Okay, there they go. Inside of my bucket. What do you see?
Look at them.
Right here. Look at this. I'm gonna pull this branch down.
And I'm gonna
My
pick
sister's
them.
going to do the picking here.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep the stems on.
Yes. See?
Let's see. Can you get like just a bunch at a time? Listen to that sound. Here, listen to that. Hitting. I'm gonna hand inside of her bucket and see what she's done so far. Let's see. I think you've probably eaten more than you picked so far. Okay. We have work to do. Okay, so my aunt, she's picking also. This is just so wonderful. What? Oh, look at these, Aunt. Right here. Here. Look at this. Try to get the ones that are hanging really close. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, will you? I don't know how to take this off, but can you see this right here? Oh my goodness. These are, I'm just going to see what I can do. What did you say?
They didn't let the animal loose on me.
Oh my God. Oh, she's ready now.
Oh, girl.
You got it.
Oh, good.
They're even, hello, they're hanging. Look at this. Oh, here's a nice bunch. I'm trying to get these right here. Look at this. Okay. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. Yes. Wow. They picked them with the stem on. I think I'm doing a pretty good job of keeping the stems on. I discovered a little technique here, and I'll deal with the leaves later. I don't know how many pounds I plan to pick, but it's just the experience. This is so relaxing. One thing that comes to my mind is just resources that are available. It's like no one have to be selfish. Look at all of this. This is a lesson in this to me. Just knowing that resources were available. We don't have to hoard, and we can share. Look at this. It's enough for everyone in the world to have something. It's like, why do we have such division among us? It's just amazing. It's such a humbling experience. If anyone can comment about that, or just however this resonates with your thoughts, but very humbling experience, and as I can even say, a life lesson about if we have something, if you have it, you can share. It's like, wow. It almost saddens me in a sense. Think about what's available, and it's feeling very emotional all of a sudden. I'm going to continue to enjoy this experience, and hopefully you'll have an opportunity to come out and do some cherry picking. And let me know if you do, if you have a connection with nature, and it becomes an emotional experience for you, but it definitely made me have a moment of reflection. So, well, I think my family has picked their share. Get my last few in here. Wow. Hi guys, I did it. I went cherry picking. Yes, what a wonderful, wonderful experience. Okay, so we're gonna go pay and weigh out and see what I have done here. Let's go see what I've done. Hello there. Hello. This is all I can do. I was trying not to eat any, but I know it's hard. Thank you.
Did you have fun out there?
It was so wonderful. My very first experience.
Really?
I had my sister and my aunt. This is wonderful. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome anytime.
Oh my goodness. You hear that, everyone? Oh my goodness. What did I do?
It's about $15 today.
$15. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
And then it's cash or Venmo.
Oh, we're going to do cash. You can count that out there.
Yeah, of
and
course.
if you don't mind.
All right. Go back to you.
Okay.
And you are all set to go.
Thank you so much.
so
I'll
much.
put some tips in here for you. You're welcome. Thank you all. This has been wonderful. Happy summer.
again.
We'll be
Thank
back.
you.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.